come through. I wanted to do a tag for y'all. Real quick, real quick. I'm gonna do this as a quick video. Have everything on the phone. So yeah, how y'all doing? How y'all been doing? This is my new guys. This is my new. Getting to these nails, y'all. The Nailist. These are regular stiletto acrylic. They have acrylic on them. So natural with some bling. So yeah. Let's see. So I wanted to come through and do a tag for y'all. Just something fun because I'm getting back into the swing of exercising. I'm getting back into the swing of getting stuff together. Just getting back into the swing of things. So because I'm getting back into the swing of things, I thought that I would kind of not filler videos, because I put my heart and soul into every video I put out, y'all. Every single video, I promise you, my heart and soul is in every single one. Nothing's done half-assed. Everything's done because it was the way I wanted to do it, right? So, yeah, so I'm looking to see, make sure ain't nothing changed. And then, because I have it printed out as well. So let's see. All right. So let's get into it. I have some questions in front of me, some questions right here. So here we go. Fall tag. I will list the questions that I answer down below, and that way y'all can do it too. So question number 1. Sweaters or hoodies? Sweaters. Child, I love a good cardigan sweater. I love sweaters. I don't like nothing that I have to pull over my head, because if I get hot while I'm driving or whatever, I want to be able to just take it off my head. Take it off. So a nice little cardigan, a nice little scarf or whatever, and I'm good. Pumpkin spice or apple cider? So I'm gonna show y'all this, because this is my obsession. Okay, y'all ready? Look at this. Every fall season since it's been coming out, y'all see this pumpkin. I love this cereal. Okay, this answered this question for me. Look at this. I just ran out of coffee cream yesterday, so pumpkin spice coffee cream, pumpkin spice, everything pumpkin spice. We love us some pumpkin spice over here. That's what we love. Dark nails or neutral? It just that necessarily have anything to do with the season for me. That for me is more what I feel and what I'm feeling like. So it just depends on that. Thigh highs and ankle boots. I have the curse of the big legs. I've had big legs since I was a little girl, even when I was skinny. My legs have always been big, so I've always done ankle boots, because I've never really found any boots that fit over my calf, let alone going into this thigh child. No, that ain't happening. Halloween or Thanksgiving? I love Thanksgiving because I'm a cooker, I'm a baker. I love to do all of those things. But Halloween, because I have a daughter, I didn't grow up celebrating Halloween, but I feel like that shouldn't be taken out of any kid's childhood. So because I have a daughter, I'm super excited about Halloween this year, because this year she can actually go trick-or-treating and get some candy. And although she only gonna eat like 2-3 pieces, and hopefully it stay good till next year, because she ain't about to eat all that candy. So but yeah, so I'm excited about it this year, for her to wear a costume, for us to go trick-or-treating. I'm excited about that. So, and it's been a minute since I've been excited about Halloween, but this year I'm super excited for that. And Thanksgiving too, because I cook. Candy corn or candy apple? Neither. Give me a caramel. Give me a caramel apple. Caramel. Give me a caramel apple, whatever. Give me one of those and we in the game. And sprinkle a little bit of peanuts on the top of it. We in the game. I don't eat a lot of candy, especially hard candy. Candy corn is a texture, more of a texture thing for me than a taste. I don't like the texture of it. Pecan or pumpkin pie. All right, so let me explain this. I was just telling this to my neighbor yesterday. I am melanated. I am melanated, right? So that's how we're gonna say it. I'm African American, right? So growing up in an African American house, you don't get no pumpkin pie. Like, I didn't even learn about pumpkin pie until I was like 15, 16, had me some Caucasian friends. And then I learned about pumpkin pie. I was like, ooh, that look like, I said, ooh, y'all make sweet potato pie? And they was like, sweet potatoes. And I was like, yeah, sweet potatoes. And they was like, that's pumpkin. And I was like, ooh. Now, I ain't tried pumpkin pie until I was an adult and I tried. Have I? No, I don't even think I've tried pumpkin pie. Have I? I think I have, maybe once or twice. I think I made a pumpkin cheesecake like 2 Thanksgivings ago, last Thanksgiving. So, but I love a pecan pie, but it has to be the right ratio of sweet to pecans. If it's too sweet, I don't want it, but I love pecan pie and I love pumpkin pie cheesecake. Gloves or mittens? Neither. I don't like things touching my fingers. I have to force myself to keep on my wedding ring because I don't like stuff on my hands. Like, I don't like stuff touched. It just do something to me, try to drive me. It's like nails on a chalkboard for me. I don't like stuff in my hands. Hocus Pocus or Halloweentown? Hocus Pocus all day, every day, 24/7, 365. I am a Hocus Pocus girl. That is my childhood. That was my era. That's just my stuff. I don't even know when Halloweentown came out. I don't even know if I've seen Halloweentown before. Like, I don't know. I don't think I have. I don't know. Let's see. When did Halloweentown come out?
Halloweentown was released globally on October 17th, 1998.
So, 98, I was 12. I was 12 years old when Halloweentown came out. And I don't remember it. Let's see. What year did Hocus Pocus come out?
Hocus Pocus was released in the United States of America on July 16th, 1993.
93. So I remember Hocus Pocus like vividly. I remember it. I don't remember. Oh, I have seen Halloweentown, but I don't remember it. Like, I feel like, so we're gonna go Hocus Pocus because that's what I remember. I've seen Halloweentown, but not enough to, I could tell you what's gonna happen in Hocus Pocus, scene by scene. I even know some lines. I ain't like that with Halloweentown. We ain't like that with me. Hocus Pocus, so we like this. Leggings or sweatpants? Both. I will, if I'm going somewhere, I'll throw on some cute leggings. And if I'm going somewhere, I'll throw on some cute sweatpants. So both. One favorite thing about autumn. My one favorite thing about autumn is the transition of the trees. There is nothing, in my opinion, weather-wise. I didn't grow up, I'm assuming snow would probably have the same effect, but I didn't grow up where there was snow. But there's nothing more prettier than driving down a country road lined with trees, and all the trees are like variations of orange and burgundies and browns. It's so pretty. So that would be like my one favorite thing about autumn, would be the transition in the trees. I think it's beautiful. It's not in the description box. Answer them in the comments down below what your favorite things are for the fall. What's your favorite outfit? What you like to wear? Stuff like that. What else? there's so much content coming at you guys. My workout's about to start. Me and my husband got a project for my channel that we're working on together. I have new hair. I hope you guys like it. Do you guys like it? I got a lot of compliments. My hair has been dyed blonde for like 2 weeks now, maybe a week and a half. No, yeah, I think 2 weeks now. And it didn't come out right. It came out super yellow. So actually today I went back in with some toner and toned it again, and it came out the color that I wanted it to come out, kind of like this brown blonde or whatever. So yeah, tell me if you like it. Let me know in the comment section below. This was my, like I said, this was my no makeup. Everything on my face for the most part is, I don't even know if Bare Minerals make this anymore. It's Bare Minerals powder foundations. I keep them just for when, because that is my no makeup. Slap on a little bit of powder foundation, a little contour, and then we just highlight the face. One eyeshadow, some lashes, a little bit of eyeliner, not even a serious cat eye, just a little wing. I don't even draw my eyebrows. I just kind of fill them in with this Foolproof brow powder from Benefit. I fill them in with this. And then, you know, throw on some blush. You guys know my all-time blush is Raisin. It's about the same color as Brown Script that I have on my eyes. And my Brown Script, I'm gonna have to get another one soon, but that's what Brown Script looks like. That goes on my eyes. And then some lashes. I don't buy expensive lashes. The most expensive lashes I have are probably the Vegas nail lashes. I don't buy expensive lashes, and I don't even know what these are, and to be honest, I think I have on 2 different lashes. I kind of just take my lashes off and stick them places, and I think my daughter may have moved them because I feel like they look different, but if they don't look different, child, we're gonna go with it. On my lips, I have, no, I don't have that one. On my lips, I have the Patrick Star, Mama Star, and I have, oh gosh, where is it? And NYX Lingerie Lip Gloss in Honeymoon. So I have these 2 on my lips. So see, just super simple, super duper duper simple. So yeah. Next makeup look will be coming. I'm going to be rocking my hair like this for a minute. So next makeup look will be coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tag. Don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Join my crazy family. You know you want to be a part of it because we keeps it real over here. Always 100. That's what we got. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.